Hi everybody, it's just doing a bit of a summary of the fire pit we have run over last night and to precursor to pulling all the pots out and actually giving you the results. This large ring pit fire is lower than ground level. It will eventually be filled in around the edges to bring the soil level up to the same size as it's been excavated down, but in the meantime it's done a very good job. Last night I packed the pots. They've all been finished in their foil and clay suggers, and the fire was built mostly around them. The brickwork has been placed in there to place some stability between the pots and support, stopping logs from rolling onto them as they've been burning. So there's been a layer of sawdust put down. The pots have been inserted inside that, and then firewood's been packed around them, hardwood, large pieces. These pieces here were in the cooler section, and these pieces over here were specifically placed into what would be the hottest section. We placed a piece of chicken netting into the fire to again avoid logs rolling and to give some support to the structure of the fire. Once the large pieces of wood were stacked into this area, lighter wood was placed on top, which is old fence palings, with the majority, the hardwood in this side of the fire, and reaching over in smaller and smaller pieces here to the front. Now the wind was actually coming in, blowing across this way, so we started the fire over in this side, allowing the fire to build up fairly slowly over about an hour before it managed to get into the hardwood and the temperature really started to rise. Unfortunately, we didn't have a thermocouple reading for it, but it was definitely a very hot fire. It was lit at approximately 7 o'clock last night, and it was still with embers, particularly in this area, at around about 9 o'clock this morning. It is currently around about 5:30 in the evening, and I'm just now going to lift the pots out and I will be able to unwrap them and show you the results.